Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you the results of our group with the information Elite Traders Crew. The results are gonna be from the last week, starting from the Monday. Okay, so I'd like to remind that our group Elite Traders Crew is a group where our traders share their information signals with you, and I'd like to remind you that the results are not gonna guarantee your success in the future. So as you can see, here are the results for the Monday. We've started with selling the gold, so you can see on my screen everything, like the results, the percentage and everything. Here are the results for the Tuesday. I'm gonna show you for the Wednesday already here, and as you can see, we ended up with the Thursday because we didn't open any transactions on Friday. And let me show you a VIP group. I would like to remind the difference between the VIP and the free group is that on VIP we add every time we see opportunity, we add, and on the free we just add once a day or twice a day depending on the situation, depending on the day. So as you can see, on the VIP group we've started also with the gold, and here are the results for every transaction. You can see the results in percentages. For example, this is the information already for the Tuesday here, and as you can see, we recently we're selling a lot. Also here are, I'm gonna show you for Wednesday or Thursday. For the Monday it was 2% in profit. For the Tuesday, as you can see, it was 1% in loss, and for Wednesday it was loss 2%. For Thursday it was 0.35 in profit, and for the Friday we didn't open any transactions. So for the entire week it was 0.70 in loss. And I would like to remind you that not always we have to have like days in profit. So because like trading on Forex is a long-term play, so because of that, you can see, for example, our previous video where we show the results, there was some months where it was like we didn't had like too much of a profit, but entirely for the entire year we've made like more than 100% in profit. And I would like to say something about for the beginners, for people who, for example, start and don't know where to find the capital. And for those people, there is a special information down below in the description where to find the capital to start off. For now, please put the thumbs up, click the subscription button, and let's see each other next week.